Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting because we bring one reasoning easy trick problems. So the very common questions in various different competitive exams. So this type of questions is coming in SSC, CGL, RRB, NTPC. That is RRB is the railway and NTPC. RRB is the banking, NTPC is the railway. So this type of questions you will see in the different competitive exams, and this is a very common question. So this is the reasoning questions. Obviously is a multiple choice questions. These are the option is given to you. From this option you have to find out the correct answer. I hope the question is clear. So now see the question is first term is 2, then 12, 36, 80, and the first, second, third, fourth, fifth term is missing. So from this pattern you have to find out the fifth term. What will be the fifth term? This is a multiple choice questions. From here you will get the answer. So before answer these questions you have to analyze that. Before answer these questions you have to analyze this problem, right? So how you will analyze, because the first term is 2, the second term is 12, third term is 36, fourth term is 80, then you have to find out this fifth term, right? So you have to think a pattern or logic so that you can easily find out the solution. So if this is the first term, so if I consider this pattern, first term means this is the first. Then if I take cube, then plus, this is the first term, first cube, then square. Then what will be the results? If you simplify for the 1 to the power 3, that is 1, plus 2 raised to 2, that is also 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is my first term. So similarly same patterns, let's have a look whether we'll get the second terms or not. So this is the second term. So second term 2. First you will take cube, then the second term a square. 2 cube, 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, plus 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4. That will give you 12. Yeah, 12 is my second term. All right. Same patterns I'm going to follow it here. Is it clear? Is it clear? Or if you have any doubt you can ask. All right. So this is the third term. So third term what you will do? So you have to take 3 cube plus 3 square. The same patterns, right? 3 cube, that will give you 27, plus 3 square, that will give you 9. So if you add these two numbers, that will give you your third number, that's 36. So you got the third numbers as well. Now let's check for the fourth numbers. Fourth term, so 4 cube plus 4 raised to the power 2. That is 4 cube. 4 cube, that will give you 64, plus 4 square, 4 4 is 16. If we add up, that will be give you 80, right? 80. 80 is our fourth term. Now we have to find out the fifth term similarly by following this pattern. The same patterns. Fifth terms, if you're going to find out the fifth term, that formula will be 5 cube plus 5 square, right? So 5 cube plus 5 square. So 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, that will give you 125, right? Then 5 square, that will give you 25. So 125 plus 25, that will give me 150. So 150 is the final answer. Whether 150 is there in the options or not. So 150 is there in the option A. So option A is the correct answer. I hope it's clear with the concept. Or if you have any doubt, please write in my comment box. Or if you like this video, please do share, like, and follow my page. Thank you very much.